Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. This is Friendly Advice again. I wanted to give you a very useful trick that will really help you unclog your drains. It's very easy, okay? It's good to do it ahead of time before you get stuck. I usually do it every month. So what I do is I boil a big pot of water, really boiling water, put in my drain, especially the kitchen one, and in my washroom. I do that every month on a daily basis. So I usually try to do it in the middle of the month, but you can set it to January 1st or February 1st, whatever works for you, so you remember. And that will really help you. And here we go. So first I just fill up this big pot of water that I'm gonna boil on my stove. Here you go. So my pot is boiling. I usually tend to do more than one pot, but today I'm just doing my kitchen. So while I'm cooking my lunch, I let it boil and I really make sure it's boiling hot, okay, to maximum temperature before I turn off the water. Okay, so my water is boiling, as you can see. Let's open it. I'll get my help to open the water so I can show you how boiling water is. So I'm going to show you. So let's open the water, and it has to be extremely boiling for it to be, sorry, it was boiling too much, but I used the cooker. So it's boiling so much. Look at this. Now we're going to take this water and put it in this sink, which is a little, as you can see, look how much grease there is. And now we're going to add it into the sink. And we do that almost every month. And that really saves you a lot of money on plumbing and clogging cost, okay? So I'm going to leave it like this. Will not touch anything, okay? And so make sure you use this trick to unclog your sink. Thank you.